Hey guys, my name is Audra. I'm a CEO driver from CFMOTO factory racing team.
So the first day of Rally Breslau. Today we have 300 kilometers of track and half of them super stage.
Like always, a little bit worried about everything, but after a few minutes we will go to the track and everything will be fine.
So good luck to us. First stage was almost the same like last year's, but the second stage was very aggressive ride, and the corners after cars and SSV was very eroded, and for ATV and motorcycles it was very hard. But we have to reach the finish and waiting the results.
We're really happy that we're in the finish in the first day. It was really a difficult day in navigation. In the technique we have a lot of problems, but like usually on the first day it's really difficult. So today we made our job, not very good, but we made it. And next day we will need to be more careful, more faster, and not to do silly mistakes.
Viskas gerai. Danger, matau.